Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing your stance and controls. This matters because fluttering pounce depends on timing and momentum. First, make sure movement speed is stable and sensitivity sits near 60–70%. Then hold your dash control to build forward momentum. Once done, tap jump and immediate attack within about 0.15 seconds. This creates the initial flutter. You do this to store vertical lift while preserving horizontal speed, so the pounce carries you forward rather than upward. You continue by learning to sustain the flutter. Alternate brief taps and short holds to maintain the oscillation without stalling. Once fluttering, adjust your aim slightly ahead of your character to counteract natural drift. This ensures the pounce lands where you want. Make use of gentle slopes or ledges to convert small vertical gains into extra forward distance. Keep checking stamina or cooldown meters so you know when to stop. This balance between sustain and control is why timing matters more than button mashing. You finish by timing your release. Drop the dash control just before landing to focus kinetic energy into your impact or follow-up attack. If the pounce stalls or you lose forward momentum, make a small sensitivity adjustment of about 5 to 10% and repeat the sequence deliberately. This fixes inconsistent input timing. Also practice on flat, open terrain until the motion feels natural. One key troubleshooting tip: if you repeatedly float too high, shorten your jump tap by a fraction of a second to regain forward.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.